Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build e-commerce website like this. So here you can see a homepage interface and you can see different designs. So if you get this theme, then you can easily use pre-built websites and you can import demos. Here you can see a professional e-commerce website with products and related to categories like electronics, clothing, and different other spare part products. So how you can build this type of website? If you want to get this theme, then you can type this one, Merto WordPress theme. You can go here and get your e-commerce theme in $49. So after that you will get a zip file. To build a website you need domain and hosting. From where you can get that? You can go on bluehost.com and here you can check hosting packages. Let me scroll down and here you can see for the starting purpose you can use this one $2.95 monthly package, and for the e-commerce this package is recommended. Then you can select this one. After that, now here you can select domain name, so that will be your website name. For example, storemarketplace.com and different other extensions that you can easily select. Then search for domain. And after that, if you don't need this, then you can easily delete these options. And after that, click on continue button. After getting domain and hosting, you need to log in into your web hosting account. Here you can see I'm using HostGator web hosting. Let me scroll down and here you can go in cPanel. Next step is we need to install WordPress in cPanel. So it will take few seconds. Let me scroll down and here you can see app installer. Just click here, then click on install button. Then again scroll down. Here you need to select a website. Let me scroll down and select this one. Then here you need to select HTTP. Then scroll down. Here you can add username and password. Then scroll down. Here you can add email. Then you can check these plugins if you want to install. Otherwise, you can uncheck all of these plugins. Then you can select website language. And then here you can add email. After that, click on install button. It will take few seconds to install WordPress in your website. So guys, here you can see WordPress is installed. You can view this website here. And if you want to log in into your website, just you can add /wp-admin. Then press enter. And here you can add username and password. So now you can go in plugin sections and we can disable this plugin. So now we need to install WordPress theme. Let me go here in theme section and click on upload theme file. So now we need to select theme zip file. You will get theme file like this. Then after that you need to extract it. You can see this one. After extraction, you will get this type of file, and inside you will get Merto and Merto child. So one by one you can upload theme files. So guys, here you can see theme is installed. Let me activate. Now again we need to upload child theme file. Metro child, then activate. So after installing theme, we need to install some plugins. So first of all, we need to install Elementor and WooCommerce plugin. Then activate these plugins. So now we need to install these plugins. Install this one, Redux framework. So sometimes you will get critical error while installing themes. So that's why you need to install these plugins one by one. And now activate these plugins and install MailChimp plugin. So that's basically for the newsletter subscription. Now activate these two plugins, and the last plugin we need to activate. So now after activating all of the plugins, now the next step is we need to import demo content. So how you can do that? That's very simple. Let me scroll down, and here you can see this one, demo content importer. So make sure that slider revolution plugin is active. All right. So now let me scroll down, and here you can see import demo data. Just click here. Now again let me go back. So to install demo content, let me go here, Merto importer, scroll down, then click on import demo data. Again scroll down, click on continue and import. So it has started importing content and it will take few minutes. So after importing demo content, how you can make changes in your website? Simply you can go edit with Elementor and you can edit any of these sections. So this one is basically slider, and all of these sections are built with Elementor Page Builder. And you can add any of the sections. Also you can remove any section if you want. So now let me scroll down. Here you can see pencil icon, just you can click here, and after that here you can see image option. You can easily upload your image file to replace these images. Then for the text you can scroll from here, and here you can see this one, for example, and here you will see text will change accordingly. And if you want to change button text, here you can see this one. Here you can see text is changed. You can link this button. Here you can see this is banner link, and this one is the slider. To edit this, you need to go in Slider Revolution plugin settings. Scroll down, and here is the slider. To edit these sections, again you can use Elementor Page Builder. And here you can see these are the categories. If you want to remove, just you can click here. If you want to add, just you can add for 3 characters, then it will automatically search any category. And these are the product tabs. You can scroll down. You can set thumbnail height, and you can easily change title, for example featured. Then scroll down, and here you can select number of columns as well as you can limit number of products. Then scroll down. If you want to disable these enabled options, then you can easily do it from here. And here you can select the rows in slider. Then scroll down. In the same way you can easily edit these sections. Just you can use pencil icon and you can scroll down on the left side. Then you can easily edit text and images. To edit footer, simply you can go on the top, and in the same way just you can click on the footer tab. Then you can easily edit footer. If you want to change logo in your website, then you can simply go in theme customizer, as well as if you go in dashboard, then here you can see all of the logos. So you can easily edit and add a new logo. So just you can add logo URL, To add products, you can go here in product tab. Here you can see all of the products. So you can easily edit existing products as well as you can add new products from here. So just you can add product title, description, featured image categories and many more. You can go in WooCommerce settings to add payment methods. You can go in payment section and then you can easily enable payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, COD and local bank transfers. So here you can see all of the payment methods are available. Just you need to install required plugins and then simply you can enable these methods. To enable COD, then you can go here and here you can see just you need to enable this. In this way you can easily use this professional theme to create a online store website. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube.